Hello everyone, my name is Junaid Kuro Diman. Welcome to our videos. For today's video, we're gonna talk about the social connection skills. First is social literacy. Definition of social literacy. Social literacy is the ability to build social skills, knowledge, and good values so a person can respond properly in different social situations. In school, teachers develop it by teaching students how to interact with others and the community, while also considering influence from media, family, and society. Ano nga ba ang social literacy? Ang social literacy daw ay dapat marunong tayo makipag-communicate sa mga taong kilala natin, just like family, friends, at dapat hindi lang marunong makipag-communicate, dapat may respeto din tayo sa mga tao. Next is social skills. Definition of social skills. Social skills are good manners for communicating well. We learn them at home and school. They include both talking and body language like eye contact and facial expressions. Ano nga ba ang social skills? Ang social skills daw ay hindi lang dapat marunong ka makipag-usap, dapat meron din tayong facial expression and body movements kasi pag wala tayo nun, magiging boring yung pakikipag-usap natin sa isang tao. So, alam niyo na ba ang mga types of social skills? First, effective communication. Ano nga ba ang effective communication? Ang effective communication daw is dapat marunong tayo makipag-communicate sa isang tao. Dapat effective to. For example, hindi dapat mabilis or hindi dapat mahina ang pagsasalita natin. Once na mabilis, hindi nila maintindihan yung pag-i-explain natin sa topic o sa subject na sinasabi natin. Gets ba? Second, conflict resolution. Ano nga ba ang conflict resolution? Ang conflict resolution daw, pag nagkaroon ng conflict, hindi dapat tayo magagalit. Or pag nakikipag-usap tayo sa isang tao, dapat hindi pasigaw. Dapat mahihinahon lang tayo pag nakikipag-usap tayo para masolusyonan yung conflict. Third, empathy. Dapat daw alam natin kung ano mga nararamdaman ng mga kausap natin at dapat nararamdaman natin kung ano ba yung mga feelings nila sa mga topic na sinasabi natin at dapat naaawa tayo sa kanila or iniisip natin kung ano yung mga mararamdaman nila sa mga sasabihin natin. Fourth, relationship management. Ang relationship management naman is dapat marunong tayo mag-manage ng relationship natin sa mga taong kilala natin. For example, family, friends. Dapat magkakaroon tayo ng connections for them para mas maganda yung pagkiki-connect natin sa kanila. Okay? Fifth, interpersonal skills. Ang interpersonal skills naman dapat is marunong tayo mag-ask if kailangan natin ng tulong. Hindi dapat pag may mga kailangan ka, susuluhin mo. Dapat mag-ask ka sa teachers mo o sa mga kilala mong may alam nito. 6. Intrapersonal skills. Ang intrapersonal skills naman is dapat marunong tayo mag-wait sa turn natin. Yun lang. Impact of good social skills. Better communication. Better relationships. Greater efficiency. Advanced career opportunities. Overall happiness and well-being. Social connections create happiness and support. These skills help people succeed in relationships and life. Building social connection skills leads to a more caring community. Ang social connections nagbibigay ng happiness at support. Ang mga skills na ito tumutulong sa tao para mag-succeed sa relationships at sa life. Pag pinagpa-practicean natin ang social connection skills, nagiging mas caring at mas malapit yung community natin.
So let's move on to the strategies to enhancing emotional intelligence. So what is emotional intelligence? According to Daniel Goleman in 1996, emotional intelligence helps people handle pressure, criticism, conflict, and challenges calmly and positively. So, emotional intelligence or AQ is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotion while also understanding the emotion of other people. So, bilang future teachers, kailangan din natin ito para maintindihan ng iba't ibang ugali, emosyon at sitwasyon ng ating magiging estudyante. So, ngayon naman pag-usapan natin kung paano natin mapapaunlad ang ating emotional intelligence. Isa din dito ang think about feelings. Before speaking or acting, we should first consider our own feelings and the feeling of others. Example, kung may kaklase tayong nahihirapan sa recitation, hindi natin siya dapat pagtawanan dahil maaari siyang mapahiya. So number 2, pause before acting. When we are angry, upset, or frustrated, we should pause and calm ourselves before reacting. Mag-isip muna bago magsalita. Number 3, control thoughts. We should focus on positive thoughts and avoid overreacting to problems. Sa halip na sabihin, hindi ko kaya, mas mabuting sabihin na subukan ko at pag-aralan ko pa. Learn from criticism. Constructive criticism help us grow. Hindi lahat ng criticism ay masama. Minsan, ito ay paraan para makita natin ang ating pagkukulang at mas mapabuti pa natin ang ating sarili. So, number 5, be authentic. Being authentic means being honest and true to yourself. Huwag magpanggap para lang tanggapin ng ibang tao. Show empathy. Empathy means understanding the feelings and perspectives of other people. Subukang ilagay ang iyong sarili sa sitwasyon ng iba. 7. Praise others. Giving compliments and recognizing other people efforts can boost confidence and motivation. Matuto mag-appreciate ng achievement ng ibang tao. Give helpful feedback. When correcting someone, we should do it respectfully and kindly. Apologize. When we make mistake, we should learn to say sorry sincerely. Forgive and forget. Holding grudges can create stress and conflict. Matutong magpatawad upang magkaroon ng kapayapaan sa sarili at sa relasyon ng ibang tao. 11. Keep commitments. When we keep our promise, people learn to trust us. 12. Help others. Helping classmates, friends, or even teacher creates a supportive environment. Ang pagtulong sa iba ay nagpapakita ng kabutihan at malasakit. Protect yourself from emotional manipulation. We should learn to set healthy boundaries and not allow others to control our emotion unfairly. Hindi lahat ng gusto ng ibang tao ay kailangan natin sundin kung alam nating hindi ito makakabuti sa atin sarili. According to Conyers 2018, 10 characteristics of an emotionally intelligent people. Empathy. They understand how others feel. Self-awareness. They recognize and understand their own emotion. Curiosity. They are willing to learn and improve themselves. Analytical mind. They think carefully before making decisions. Belief. They trust themselves and remain hopeful. Needs versus wants. They know how to prioritize what is important. Passion. They stay motivated and dedicated to their goals. Optimism. They maintain a positive attitude even during challenges. Adaptability. They adjust well to changes and new situations. Desire to help others succeed. They support and encourage others instead of competing negatively.
Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Junesha Ekuta. So I will discuss about people skills, their importance in educational impact, strategy for developing them, and the 10 essential people skills needed for success. Okay, what are people skills? Katanungan yun. Ano nga ba yung people skills? People skills refers to a person's ability to communicate, interact, and build positive relationship with others. Importance of people skills. There are 4 importance of people skills. Help individual understand others, improve teamwork, resolve conflict, achieve personal and professional goals. People skills are the ability that help us to communicate and connect with others effectively. These skills are important because they help us work with the people, solve problems, and achieve success in different aspects of life. Okay, component of people skills. There are 6 components of people skills. The first one is people skills involve emotional intelligence, communications, empathy, trust building, and social interaction. People skills are made up of several important qualities. Emotional intelligence helps us understand emotion. Empathy allows us to understand other feelings, while communications and trust building help us create a strong relationship. Importance of people skills for teaching. Teacher with a strong people skills can communicate effectively, build a positive relationship, reduce student anxiety, encourage participation, improve classroom management. Me, as a future teacher, people skills are very important because they help create a positive learning environment. Students learn better when they feel respected, understood, and comfortable in the classroom. Educational impact of people skills. Studies show that classroom success depends on a good interpersonal relationship. Benefit: better teacher-student relationship, increased student participation, positive learning environment, improve academic performance. Research shows that successful classrooms are built not only on academic knowledge but also on strong relationship. Positive interaction between teacher and student help us improve outcomes. Strategy for developing people skills. There are 4 types of people skills strategy. Good communication skills, listen actively, understand information, express ideas clearly. Conflict resolution skills, listen to different perspectives, find a fair solution, resolve disagreement peacefully. To improve people skills, we must practice effective communication and conflict resolution. Listen carefully and resolve solving problems peacefully help us build a strong relationship. Number 3, patterns. Stay calm, control emotion, handle challenge positively. Number 4, tolerance. Tolerance and understanding, respect differences, accept diverse opinion, show understanding. Patterns and understanding are important because people have a different personality, beliefs, and opinion. Respecting these differences help us maintain a positive relationship. The 5 A's of people skills. Number 1, acceptance. Number 2, appreciation. Number 3, approval. Number 4, admiration. Number 5, attention. The 5 A's strengths people skills. We should accept their, appreciate their effort, recognize their achievement, admire their strength, and give them our full attention. The 10 essential people skills to success. Number 1, being social assertive. Number 2, creating a memorable present. Number 3, master and communication. Number 4, sustain confidence. Number 5, being an excellent conversationalist. Number 6, being a highly likable. Number 7, understanding and decoding emotion. Number 8, pitching idea effectively. And number 9, being charismatic. Number 10, being an influential leader.
So let's now talk about the research and analysis and implication. Az-Zahra Sarkadi in Bakhtiar 2018 analyzed grade 4 journals at Al-Fawzin Islamic Elementary Schools, Indonesia to check students' social literacy, ability to live, contribute to community, intellectual skills, social skills, cooperation and attitudes, and values. According kay Az-Zahra Sarkadi and Bakhtiar 2018, ni-research nila ang journals ng grade 4 students ng Al-Fawzin Islamic Elementary School upang makita ang kanilang social literacy o ang kakayahang makisama at maging responsable sa community. So based on their studies, ang attitudes and values is nasa 38.5%. Ito ay may pinakamataas na result. This shows that natutunan talaga at nai-apply ng mga students ang mabuting asal at tamang pag-uugali in their daily life. So, pangalawa is intellectual skills. Ito naman ay nasa 34.1%. Nagpapakita dito na mas natututo ang mga bata kapag active silang kasali sa learning process at nakakapag-isip at nakakapagbigay ng sariling ideya. While sa cooperation naman is mas mababa, nasa 14.17%. At social skills naman ay nasa 12.6%. Meaning, kailangan pang mas palakasin ang group activities at teamwork para mas ma-develop pa ang kanilang pakikipag-communicate at pakikipag-cooperate sa ibang tao. Ipinapakita ng pag-aaral na mahalaga ang paggamit ng daily journals. Bakit? Dahil nakakatulong ito sa paghubog ng values o kaya critical thinking ng mga bata. So, dapat ding dagdagan ng mga teachers ang collaborative activities. Bakit? Kasi para mas maging mahasa o kaya mas maging magaling ang social skills at cooperation ng mga learners, ng mga bata.
Tandaan na ang social literacy ay mahalagang kasanayan na tumutulong sa isang tao na magkaroon ng tamang pakikitungo sa iba, maging responsable at makakapagbigay ng positive contribution sa ating community. Hindi lang din ito tungkol sa pakikipag-usap, kundi pati na rin sa pagkakaroon ng magandang values, empathy at respeto sa kapwa. Mahalaga rin ang emotional intelligence. Bakit? Dahil tinutulungan tayo nitong mas maintindihan at mas makontrol ang ating emotions, ang ating mga emotions. Pati na rin ang pag-unawa sa nararamdaman ng ibang tao. So, nagiging understanding tayo kapag may emotional intelligence tayo. While sa people skills naman is na tumutulong din ito sa effective communication. Sa effective communication natin. At sa teamwork at pagbuo ng good relationships from the others.